For decades, the global manufacturing landscape was defined by a singular truth. China was the world's factory. Its vast capacity and competitive costs reshaped supply chains across every industry. Yet a profound shift has quietly taken hold, altering the very foundations of international trade. Today, a new manufacturing powerhouse is emerging, one far closer to the United States. This transformation is not merely a rerouting of goods. It represents a strategic realignment of industrial might. The question is no longer if this shift is happening, but how quickly Mexico has become the indispensable manufacturing partner for U.S. firms. Welcome to Geo Capitalist, where we analyze the forces shaping global economics and geopolitics. In this episode, we delve into the remarkable ascent of Mexico as the primary manufacturing engine for the United States. We will explore the intricate factors that have propelled this change and examine its far-reaching implications. If you find our insights valuable, please consider subscribing and enabling notifications. Your support helps us continue to deliver in-depth analysis on critical global trends. The United States has been systematically re-evaluating its manufacturing dependencies. This strategic pivot began with the imposition of tariffs on Chinese goods, signaling a clear intent to diversify supply chains. The subsequent trade disputes highlighted the vulnerabilities inherent in relying on a single distant manufacturing hub. Rising labor costs in China further eroded its competitive edge, prompting companies to seek more economically viable alternatives. The COVID-19 pandemic then exposed the fragility of extended global supply chains, leading to unprecedented disruptions. These events collectively underscored the urgent need for resilience and proximity in manufacturing. Amidst this reevaluation, Mexico emerged as a compelling solution. Notably, the U.S. government chose not to impose similar tariffs on Mexican imports, creating a distinct advantage. This policy decision, coupled with existing trade agreements, solidified Mexico's position as a preferred nearshoring destination. The shift was not instantaneous, but a gradual, deliberate movement of production capacity. Mexico's industrial sector has experienced an extraordinary surge in recent months. This growth is particularly evident in key manufacturing hubs across the nation. New industrial parks, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, are rapidly expanding to accommodate incoming foreign investment. The city of Querétaro, for instance, has become a focal point for advanced manufacturing and technology. Its burgeoning industrial zones are attracting significant capital and expertise. This expansion is supported by critical infrastructure developments, including new rail connections designed to streamline the movement of goods. These logistical improvements are vital for supporting the increased volume of trade. Mexico's ports have also registered impressive double-digit growth in cargo handling. This surge reflects a broader trend of heightened industrial activity and a robust response to global demand. The nation's manufacturing output is clearly on an upward trajectory. The economic data unequivocally demonstrates Mexico's growing importance to the U.S. supply chain. In a single month, Mexican exports to the United States experienced a substantial 13.5% increase. This significant jump underscores the rapid integration of Mexican production into American consumption. Manufacturing accounts for a remarkable 40% of Mexico's total export value. This sector is not merely producing goods, it is powering a significant portion of the U.S. economy. From automotive components to electronic assemblies, Mexican factories are now integral to the production of goods consumed daily across the United States. This deep integration signifies a fundamental shift in the bilateral economic relationship. Mexico is no longer just a trading partner, it is an essential extension of the U.S. industrial base. The efficiency and reliability of this supply chain are becoming increasingly critical for American businesses. A critical distinction between manufacturing in Mexico and China lies in the origin of components. Mexican exports to the United States contain a significant proportion of U.S.-made parts. Approximately 40% of the content in goods manufactured in Mexico originates from the United States. This contrasts sharply with products imported from China, where U.S. content typically falls below 5%. This high level of integrated content makes Mexico a strategic extension of the U.S. manufacturing ecosystem. It fosters a symbiotic relationship, benefiting both economies. This dynamic creates a more resilient and localized supply chain. It reduces reliance on distant, potentially volatile regions and strengthens North American industrial capacity. The flow of components across the border is a testament to this deeply intertwined production network. While Mexico's manufacturing boom is undeniable, it has placed considerable strain on existing infrastructure. The rapid increase in trade volume has led to bottlenecks at key logistical points. Port congestion, particularly at major hubs like Manzanillo, has become a significant challenge. The capacity of these ports is being tested by the sheer volume of incoming and outgoing cargo. Similarly, rail networks, while expanding, are experiencing delays as they struggle to keep pace with demand. These logistical strains highlight the urgent need for continued infrastructure investment. Recognizing these challenges, Mexico is actively pursuing upgrades to its transportation infrastructure. Plans are underway to enhance port capabilities and expand rail lines. Airport upgrades are also being prioritized to facilitate faster air cargo movement. These projects are crucial for sustaining the current growth trajectory and ensuring long-term efficiency. The perception of Mexico as solely a low-cost labor market is increasingly outdated. The nation has quietly developed into a hub for high-tech manufacturing and advanced industries. This evolution is driven by a growing pool of skilled labor and significant investments in specialized facilities. Mexico is now a prominent player in aerospace manufacturing, producing complex components for global aviation. Its medical device sector is also thriving, with companies establishing advanced production lines for sophisticated healthcare equipment. The country is also making strides in smart electronics, moving beyond basic assembly to more intricate manufacturing processes. This shift is supported by a robust educational system that produces a steady stream of STEM graduates. These engineers and technicians are driving innovation and efficiency in modern factories. Mexico's manufacturing prowess is increasingly defined by precision, technology, and specialized expertise rather than just competitive wages. The nearshoring trend has triggered a significant influx of foreign direct investment into Mexico. In the first quarter of 2025 alone, Mexico secured an impressive $21.37 billion in foreign capital. This substantial investment underscores global confidence in Mexico's economic stability and manufacturing potential. While U.S. firms are leading the charge, the investment is not exclusively American. Companies from Europe and Asia are also actively participating in this nearshoring wave. They recognize the strategic advantages of establishing production facilities closer to the North American market. This diversified investment base further strengthens Mexico's position as a global manufacturing hub. The motivations for this global money rush are clear: reduced shipping costs, shorter lead times, and enhanced supply chain resilience. Mexico offers a compelling combination of geographical proximity, established trade agreements, and a skilled workforce. This confluence of factors makes it an attractive destination for international capital seeking to optimize global operations. Mexico's current position as a preferred manufacturing partner is strong, but its long-term success hinges on addressing persistent challenges. Uneven infrastructure development remains a significant hurdle. While some regions boast modern facilities, others lag, creating logistical bottlenecks and hindering broader economic integration. Bureaucratic inefficiencies and administrative delays can also impede foreign investment and business operations. Streamlining regulatory processes is crucial for maintaining Mexico's competitive edge. These internal challenges require sustained political will and strategic investment to overcome. Furthermore, global competition for manufacturing investment remains fierce. While Mexico benefits from its proximity to the U.S., other nations are actively vying for similar opportunities. For instance, China is increasingly investing in countries like Brazil, seeking to establish new supply chain hubs. Mexico must continue to innovate and improve its business environment to secure its long-term advantage. Mexico has undeniably earned its position as the new manufacturing core for the United States. This transformation is a testament to its strategic location, evolving industrial capabilities, and a growing commitment to fostering a robust business environment. The shift from distant shores to a trusted neighbor reflects a fundamental reevaluation of global supply chain resilience. In an increasingly complex world, the ability to trust and rely on manufacturing partners is paramount. Mexico has demonstrated its capacity to meet this critical need, solidifying its role in the North American economic landscape. That wraps up today's video on why Mexico is emerging as the new China, only safer for U.S. companies. If you found this breakdown valuable, watch our next video. It connects directly to what's unfolding. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us decode these global shifts without compromise. Join us next time on Geo Capitalist as we explore another critical global trend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.